Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Edubuntu info and admin section. So there are some applications available for the admin people. So in your school, there will be some admin who will control and administer all this nodes where the students will learn using the Edubuntu. So there will be, say, in a classroom, there might be 10, 20 nodes where student can sit and learn, and those all will be managed by a system administrator. So these applications are for the system administrator. So first is the Ask Ubuntu. So you can click it here and you can ask any questions are there regarding the Edubuntu. You can ask it here. So it will show you. It is a forum where you can ask questions. You will get answers from either the Ubuntu staff or even other users will also answer you. So here you can see the different questions and the answers are available for them. You have to put your question, and within some time somebody will answer you. Next is the Edubuntu installer. So this is used to install additional packages. So first it will check for new, removed or the upgradable packages. Now the package information is successfully replaced. It will show you the list of applications which can be added. Yeah, I will have to press OK button. It is building the package table. So here you can see there are different meta packages like Ubuntu Edu Preschool. So these application packages are for the preschool people. Edubuntu Edu Primary. These are the application packages for the primary students. Edubuntu Edu Secondary. This is for the students in learning in the secondary section of your school. Then there is tertiary section. So this contains the application packages for the tertiary educational application bundle. So these are the application bundles that were installed here. Then the Edubuntu fonts are there. So it contains additional fonts included in a default Edubuntu system setup. And you can also change the system setup to a different age group. So you can add or remove these application packages. Most of the application packages here, it is already installed. So there won't be many additions possible, but you can remove this. Suppose you are installing this ISO in a primary preschool, then you don't require all these applications. So you can remove this application packages, only keep the preschool. So if you're installing it for the primary kids, you can have only the primary kids application, rest all you can remove. So this will lighten up your system and it can work better. And also you can modify the install package selection. You have to click it here. I will show you how it is done. So first, every time it will be build the package table. Let us see what happens. For example, now let us remove the Edubuntu fonts, and now you have to click here. So modify install packages. So here you can see, so these different additional fonts that were installed will be removed. So you can just continue and it will remove the additional fonts. Just don't do it, because I'm just trying to illustrate you. That's why I'm removing it, but don't remove it like this. What is happening? I think the system is hanged or what? Yes, now it is removing those additional fonts. So while it is working in the background, we can go and let us see if we can. No, system is freeze now. Yes, now we can go ahead. And language and learning has been pending, I think. So we will cover it in the next video. Now let us try out the Edubuntu menu administration. So menu administration is nothing but which applications will be shown in the application menu. So you have to select those applications. For example, the Caliber book viewer was not there. If you want to show it in the menu, application menu, you have to click it here. GBrainy, if you don't want, you can untick it here and it won't be shown in the application menu. So this application, the applications that are ticked won't be shown to the non-administrator users, and you can say applications which are unticked, those will be shown to the application users. So it is like that. And here you can see the Edubuntu fonts have been removed. So we have now know the functionality of the Edubuntu installer. I will close this application. You can see here, if I click it here and apply, so what will happen is that that application, that is Atomics, won't be shown. So if you want, I will show you. The Atomics has was there here, or yes. So I think after restart, this application won't be visible to us. Okay, so this is how you can hide the applications from users using this administrative tool that is called Edubuntu Menu Administration. So I will now close this. Now let us check this reset applications overview. So this is nothing but it will just combine the applications in a packages. For example, all the science application will come in the science package. The mathematical applications will go in mathematical. Yes. So you can do it from time to time and it will clump up all the applications, similar applications together. So here you can see all the mathematics application are in one package. So if you install additional language packs, additional application packs, then you can use it time to time to club up the applications together in a group. So these are the group of applications. So now what we will do is I will stop the video here. In the last video, we will check out the application and learning packages. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.